What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some Taco Bell style Mexican pizza. Because you know what? If they don't want to make it, I'll do it my damn self. So, let's go ahead and do it, shall we? Yeah! That's right, baby. Some Mexican pizza, Taco Bell style. Now, here's the thing. Taco Bell had taken this off their menu. I've heard tell recently that they're bringing it back. Not soon enough for me, baby. You know, you take some off there. That's the thing about these things. Taco Bell, back in the 90s, boy. That's when Taco Bell was Taco Bell to me. Beautiful, baby. You had all the good stuff. The Mexican pizza, the Fiesta Dex. And you know, you had the chili little burrito that they made. And of course you had the commercials, the great commercials with that little dog. He ain't there no more. The Godzilla toys that they had when Godzilla came out. Not the old Godzilla, but that one in 1990 something with old Matthew Broderick. So, and I love that stuff, and I love, you know, that nostalgia, baby, nostalgia. So, Taco Bell, I love you, but you messing up the game. You're trying to go new school on us with some, you know, Chipotle chicken. We want that. We want the old standard classic, baby. We go there for the comfort food when we drunk at 3 a.m. when it's good. So, I'm getting drunk here. I'm going to make it myself, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing that we got to do is get our tortillas. Now, today, I went ahead and got some, these are white corn tortillas. And because that's what Taco Bell used to use. It wasn't a corn tortilla, it wasn't a white tortilla. It was a kind of a hybrid, like, you know, those cars they used to make before Elon Musk took everything over. So, we are going to take our tortilla, and first of all, we're going to get us a little oil, and we're going to get that oil hot, baby, just like me. And we're going to put it in a pan. Once it gets hot, you don't want it too deep either, just enough to cover the bottom. We'll take our tortilla, and we're going to put it down in there. Now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, buddy boy, these tortillas are going to cook in no time. About the time that you get all the tortillas that you can fit in your pan, it's time to flip, and vice versa. You flip, you wait a little bit, you flip again. It's very thin, you're frying, and you know, you're kind of singing to yourself like Roy Orbison. Frying over you, frying over you. So, like I said, got all of them in there now. I'm going to take my thongs, click, 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 up on the house top, click, click, click. So, I'm going to turn these over, and look at that good golden brown, if I can get them apart. Because they're going to try to float around in there, and you got to say, sir, 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 keep your place. Then, once we get all these browned and good, then you want them to be crispy, crispity, crunchy, but not that Butterfinger Bart Simpson. So, once you get them all good golden brown, we're going to pull them out, and we're going to move on to the next step, which of course, you know what's got to be? The ground beef, baby, the big old beef. So, let's get these out. Let's drain the grease out. Let's clean our pan. The reason why I'm doing these first is because I'm using the same pan. If you're using different pans, you can do it in any way that you want to. But me, this is how I'm going to do it today. So, let's drain the grease. Let's get these out. We'll be back. And we're going to party on, baby. Yeah! Ooh, that is good stuff. And you're saying to me, Black Owl, what's that drink you got there, boy? That colorful drink. Well, this is Gummy Beer by O'Fallon Brewing Company. It's like a gummy bear beer. It came in a variety pack with all kinds of different flavors. I actually just did a review on it, so the link to that is down in my description. Y'all can go watch that later because we got to cook right now. But one more. Wow, man, I like that stuff. So, we went ahead and our tortillas are done, and I've also got our ground beef done as well. And you're saying, Black Owl, you couldn't wait on me to do the ground beef? Well, I get tired of that shit, so I went ahead and did it. And what you got to do is put some ground beef. I just got some old 70-20, that old cheap. Put it in the pan and break it up. Hot pan, of course. Now, once it gets done, after you flip and flip and flip and it's done, go ahead and drain that grease off because we don't want no nasty. We want that good, good, good. So, get that grease drained off and we're going to add some taco seasoning. Now, they do make a Taco Bell brand taco seasoning. And you can get it if you want, but to me, I don't see the sense of paying extra just for the logo on the package when I know that this stuff is better. So I just got that old Great Value. We're going to add that in, sprinkle, 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 and stir it up until everything gets a good color. Now, we we got everything done. We're ready to go. I will have one more sip because it's just so damn good. Wow. So, tortilla on there. Crispy tortilla. And the first thing that we're going to do is not the ground beef like I was about to do. Don't mess up. We are going to get some refried beans. And you're saying, Black Iowa, did you refry these beans yourself? No, I didn't. Got a can. And you may want to add a little water to kind of make it pasty, but I didn't, so we're going to see how it goes. And you want to take those refried beans and just kind of spread them out on the bottom. And what that's going to do is act as a grabber. It's going to keep everything together. And it's also going to give it a good bean flavor. So, we got our refried beans on there. I don't want to toot my own horn, but I will later. Now, we are going to take some of the ground beef and shimmy, shimmy, shake. Do the shimmy, shimmy, shake. Just to get the extra off the spatula because, you know, you don't want too much. But you do want a good amount. You don't want it to fall side on you like it's trying to do. So, next, go ahead and take your tortilla and put it on there just like that. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what about the sauce, baby? I know that Mexican pizza's got a little sauce on it. Well, got you covered, buddy. What I did was went ahead and made a little sauce on a Palmer. It's a 50-50 between salsa and marinara sauce, or just pasta sauce, like, you know. So we're going to take a little bit of that, and I do mean a little because a little goes a long way, and put that on top and spread it out like you would on a pizza. Now, you know, this salsa that I got's chunky salsa because I like everything chunky, but you may want to go ahead and get thin. That's fine. I don't care. Do what you do, baby. I love you anyways. So, sauce, beans, meat. What you need now? Cheese. So, we're going to take the cheese. This is Colby Jack, just because it's a mixture of the white and the yellow. You can get that in Mexican blend. You can get whatever you want, really. And put that on top of there, too. And, you know, it's kind of already starting to look like I just went to the drive-thru at 3 a.m. and said, because I've been out slurping that drink. So, cheese, good to go. Last but not least, a little bit of tomato, because, you know, usually they got those little bits of tomato on there. Now, me, I don't want a whole lot on here, but I do want some. And I also went ahead and just, instead of getting a tomato, I went ahead and got some Rotel, because I like a little spice in my life, baby. Yeah, like it hot and spicy, just like me. So, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of them tomatoes right on top of the tomatoes. Let them drop till they look so good that you can't stand it no more. Then we're going to take this and put it on a pan and put it in the oven. And that's just to melt the cheese. So it won't take more than, you know, 4 or 5 minutes or so. And then once we're done, we're going to come back. We're going to have a look. We're going to have a sight. We're going to have a big old bite of these excellent copycat Taco Bell Mexican pizzas tonight, buddy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm thinking outside the bun at home by my damn self. So. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Taco Bell Mexican pizza is done. And I'm having the first bite for Big Daddy. So, but you're saying to yourself, like, oh, you are forgetting a key ingredient, sir. That Taco Bell sauce. You got to have the Taco Bell sauce. Well, you know, as long as we're making it at home. When it comes to spice and hot sauce, I like mine sweet. I like that heat. I like that good, good, good. So, when I want that good, 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 I got to reach for a bottle of Weary's Original Pepper Sauce, made using the finest Guyanese Weird Weird peppers. These boys are out of Ontario, Toronto, Canada, and they make that good, good stuff. So I will put the link to their website down in my description. Y'all make sure and go get you a bottle or two because it's going to be good to you. But it's, so, just a dab will do you. Oh my goodness, look at that. And I can smell it now. Wow, I can breathe, I can breathe. So, time has come, baby. Ooh, look at that big, beautiful thing. Man, Excellent. Spot on. It's got the same flavor, but it's a little something extra because we made it at home and we made it with love, baby. And I love it. And I also love all of you. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owen. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that Mexican pizza. And I'll see you next time. Oh, man.